Yo, 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 what is up, everyone? Happy Monday, happy new week, happy new month, in fact. And welcome to the stream as always. Hope we're all doing very, very well. Hope we're all ready and excited for what's to come. The big week ahead, the big month ahead. The summer is here. Sun's out, guns out. Here, at least, that is the case. It's too hot here. Too hot for May. Let's get my fat head on the screen. See how much of a tan we picked up. Not bad. Not bad. Looking all right today. Looking all right today. We're doing a little bit of bronzing yesterday. You might not be able to see it on my pale Irish skin, but we did a little bit. We did a little bit of bronzing in the garden yesterday. A little bit less chart time, a little bit more bronzing in the garden time. It was a trade-off. Is the stream a bit laggy? Seems a bit laggy to me. What's up, Ricky? Not homeless fellas, exactly, yeah. Well, a little bit trimmed today. It's the excess with the 12-month resub. We love the resubs. We love the 12-month resubs. That's not a short amount of time, XS. Appreciate that. We even made it through that awful period where you changed your name to something else. I think it was actually your real name as well, which I don't want to come down too hard on your actual birth cert, but XS has a certain rolls off the tongue, a certain je ne sais quoi. You know what I mean? Rolls off the tongue. Let's do this. Let's do that. And I hope we're all doing very well. Yeah, BTC up big. Up 3%. Which is actually quite a lot on the day so far. Most alts pretty subdued. There's a few that are moving, but basically none are double digits on my watch list. Except for Floki. memes moving into renewed Roaring Kitty. Roaring Kitty with a new post. Crypto market moves memes. That's basically what happens. So he posted last night. GME is up. It's so funny, man. So funny how traditional market dynamics can be turned on its head when with one little Tweety boy. Who would win? Thousands of sophisticated market participants or one Giphy boy? That's the question for this stream. Roaring Kitty is saving your bags, yeah. One Giphy boy. He didn't even post a GIF. It was an image. It was Uno reverse. What's up, Nico? How we doing? Making money making Monday, eh? Yeah, something like that. Either losing or making money. Money will be involved in some capacity. Thank you for those commands, Ricky. What's up, Walter White? How we doing? What's up, Purdue? Welcome to the chat. KTX with the sub. Let's go. We love the subs. Thank you, KTX. Appreciate that. The sub counts. We get Twitch subs are at an all-time low at the moment because I've diversified. I've diversified my portfolio. My streaming portfolio has been diversified into Twitter and YouTube. My Twitch subs are at a ATL, all-time low. I'm the worst Twitch partner in the world. That's the price you pay for those Elon stimmy bucks that I won't be getting after next month because of the KYC stuff. Basically Twitter KYC. A pretty face. The pretty face is here. What's up, Mr. Velvet? Oh, Vic's streaming as well. I bet he is. Left headphone Victor stream, right headphone follows the stream. The only way to do it. Fresh, says Nico. I hope so. One can hope. Quality time in the sun, yeah, I agree. How we doing, KTX? What's up, Joe? Forisu. Hobo Follis is fading away. He was never here. Hobo Follis never existed. Thanks, Ricky. What's up, Lala? It's Hank. Your name definitely is not Hank. It's like Gert van something. Very Dutch sounding name. That's gonna be my guess. What's up, Saz? How we doing? What's up, Mark? Doing very well. Hope you're well. Hope you all had a good weekend. Ondo is ripping. It's up 3% on the day. I don't know what I say that's ripping. And in fact, it's down 4% from the daily high. I mean, it's on high time frame. Yeah, it's moving up. Man, I had a long on that thing from 80 cent. Be up a casual 2x. Vic bearish follows bullish. No. I'm actually cautiously bearish. Especially as we approach the top of the meme triangle, the meme pennant, which I'll show you guys in just a minute or two. New York open in 5 minutes. I wouldn't mind, actually, if there's one trade here, I think it's a BTC short. Call me crazy, but I think we might go higher first. Call me crazy. Dump to 68,840. For sure, I could see something brewing here. This pump on a Monday to open the week, to open the first trading day of the month. Something stinks. Something stinks a little bit. Can someone gift subs and get rid of Purdue's name down here? Oh, it's a new month anyway. Pretty sure someone just needs to gift one sub and they get their name there. Because this is the first stream of the month. It resets every month. Please someone help my stream out and get rid of this guy. With his long... It's Charles with the sub. Let's go. We love the subs. Oh, Lala. Yes. Lala with the 5 gifted. Kicking off the month. On a strong note. Sorry, Purdue. You've been demoted. You've been demoted. You have been demoted. Crypto Lala. And look how much better it fits. You're short on your breakout account? Yeah. Yeah, I could see something. We might short on the breakout account. We're on phase 2. Flawless baby, I'm trying to chat business inquiries, brother. What's up, Christina? Star viewer by Mr. Velvet. He got in there early. What are we on? 3 minutes now till New York Open? Mr. Velvet. How do I spell that? Underscore VDV. The neck has to pay. The neck. What's up, Tom X? Yeah, Lala got in there. Monday rug pull. Yeah, I think another 2 imposters reported on X. Another Adley mix is posted in general chat. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I think Monday pump, Tuesday dump. I think we might get that. We might short on the breakout account. Just open a swing. All-time high is the stop, and we're going for lower. Something like that. Let's see, though. I swing shorts make me very nervous in this market environment. You won a 25k account from Brightfund and on Guru's stream. Nice. I'm actually on Guru's stream. I'm co-hosting in... I have no idea, actually. 4 hours? 5 hours? I need to check the schedule. I have no idea what time. I think 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock UTC. So 3.5 hours from now. I should know that. Yeah, co-hosting charity stream, I think. I think that's what it is. What's up, Awesome Custard? What's up, Kevin? Saying hello to the YouTube homies. What's up, I'm Unlimited? Methamphetamine Monday, says Changa. Yeah, exactly. What's up, Eric? Trying to chat business inquiries, brother. Oh, I know what that's in relation to. Yes, my DMs are, I'm slow on DMs. Patience. Patience, please, and accept my apologies for being a very bad DM responder. Wallace E, appreciate the follow. What's up with the not coin? Yeah, man, fucking nuts. Purdue has a nice thesis on that. Purdue has a nice thesis on that. Elon Musk is overrated. Considering I'm streaming on his platform right now, I disagree vehemently. Fake Korean GCR. I like that. Fake Korean GCR. Can I be Japanese GCR? R looks really good. Yeah, we're spot long from $26. What's up, AI? What's up, Nemec? What's up, Jake? Oh yeah, New York just opened. Let's get into the charts. Gonna be a sick co-host. So yeah, I pointed this fucking meme pennant out a few days ago. I just said, yeah, I don't know. I've seen this shit play out too many times to discount it. As much of a joke as these patterns are. So far, we're kind of following it. I think I drew it when price was somewhere around here. So let's see. This is, I'm betting the farm. Up, oh, 70% GME, yeah. Man, it's so funny how one meme boy can do that. Let's get BTC on our screen. New York Open Pump would be interesting. New York Open Pump would be very interesting. Thank you, Bullish Bear. Got me drinking water. So we pump at the open and dump after 15 minutes. I don't know. As always, we will react rather than trying to predict. But for sure, I could see something like this happening. That's extremely badly drawn. One of the worst drawings I've ever done, in fact. But you understand the principle. Something like this. I received a level 2 hype train emote. Let's go. That's thanks to you, Lala. Choo choo. Does anyone know what I'm referencing there? Very, maybe even run this high. It's very, specific reference. You're bearish AF at the moment. People from the north of England might get it. That's all. That's the only hint I'm gonna give you. Choo choo. It's different. Yeah, this time is different. We have PMI in 30. Yeah. Dat pump dough. Victor rating with a party of 29. Let's go. Appreciated, Vic, as always. Welcome, welcome all the valiant victors. The victorious victors. The lower trend line of that pennant is traced from the wick. Why the upper isn't? Because it's a meme and I'm absolutely fitting the data to suit my bias. This is not something that I'm trading. This is not, this is a textbook example. I'm absolutely retrofitting the pattern to suit my bias. And I have no interest in being objective or empirical in the slightest. I'm trying to make it look like it's playing out as much as possible to reaffirm my existing bias. And some might say that that's confirmation bias. I say yes, I can confirm that. The victorious versions? No, we would never say that. That's so mean. Thrown straight into the WW1 mustache. Trey Books, I can't believe you're chilling on Victor's chat and you weren't over here immediately. Betrayed by my countrymen. You're like your man from Bodkin. Loves the Romanians. This is bullish. Yes. For the moment, yes. Who's going long into PMI? PMI is in 25 minutes, am I right? Victor Aid, gang. Victor Aid sounds like a really Romanian brand knockoff Gatorade. Also, am I the only one? Is Powerade not a thing anymore? Because I remember when I was younger, Gatorade was the knockoff Powerade. Oh, 10 minutes to PMI? Now it seems like it's the other way around. I don't see anyone drinking Powerade. Everyone's drinking Gatorade. Gatorade. Beware Follis. Cobra is a smart man. Got to know him today on stream. You calculated 51.8% for PMI. I'm excited to see how close I got. Oh, interesting. Wait, how did you do that? Is this secret alpha for the stream? So what's the expectancy for PMI? $50.9 is expected. He says 51.8 will be the actual. So we're getting the secret alpha on the stream. Bring it back. We're taking you back. Taking you back to those glorious days of yore. Cobra's a legit quant, yes. Victor, you need to be hiring those guys. Get them into the server. Tell you what. If 51.8 is the answer, you get free membership to Chroma. How about that? That's your that's your interview. Cobra TTV. If PMI comes in, he hates socials. He DM'd me from a burner account. As long as I'm right about expansion, my gold long should be fine. So you think higher? Yeah, let's see. I'm in no positions at the moment. And I only have orders for AVO. Fucking scam. Otherwise I'm flat, except for spot. We're still long everything spot. If PMI is higher than expected, it's bad for the market. Yeah, I guess. I'm not gonna say I've been paying attention to it at all. Let's do some quick. There's nothing better than some quick study. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. There you go. And of course I knew this. I haven't just looked it up. This is obviously, you know, I'm an elite trader, so I knew this off the top of my head. It's the S&P Global Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index. And of course I knew that, again. It's released on a monthly basis. Who doesn't know that? It's a leading indicator for gauging business activity in the US manufacturing sector. That's how I always remember that. You know, it's the leading indicator for gauging business activity in the US MS manufacturing sector. Obvious, everyone knows that. Lawn Bag, appreciate the follow. And Cobra, thank you for the follow. Everyone knows that. You can count on one hand the amount of people who don't know that. So yeah, a reading above 50, and again, everyone should know this, indicates that the manufacturing economy is generally expanding, which is a bullish sign for the US dollar. Wait, that sounds bad for crypto. Meanwhile, a reading below 50 signals that activity in the manufacturing sector is generally declining, which is seen as bearish for the USD. Bullish for USD, bearish for BTC? Someone help this poor simpleton out. By simpleton, I mean me. Next release is in 6 minutes. A big sell wall has just been added in Binance. Oh, nice. Look at my quant. Yeah, exactly, hybrid. We're actually down a quant in Chroma. Our quant is, we'll say he's on leave at the moment. You're an engineer too? You're actually an engineer, not a bank person. Alright, okay. You really are the Victor Virgins, huh? I remember I had a few buddies doing engineering in college, and the ratio in law was amazing. The ratio in law was like probably 6 girls to 4 guys. Ratio in engineering was like 5 guys to 1 girl, and that's being very generous. It must have leaked because the yields are down. But if bad business and more unemployment market should pump as it would price in rate cuts sooner. Okay. Expansion rates higher for longer because Fed needs to wait. Gotcha. Okay. Think this is gonna be wait for number to release and see price go up or down. You're confused as I am. Good. Oh, we got a chart markup request for Fetch AI. Fetch AI. I'd be more concerned about the Dixie reversal, but yields down more than expected. Nothing better than getting all this thrown at me 29 minutes into the stream. Yeah, man, I'm telling you. The engineering crew. The engineers. Okay, 4 minutes until PMI. Let's see what we get. Where is that sell wall, Lala? Follows, can we get Benjamin Cowan and Chroma? We already have Benjamin Cowan. We have better. Benjamin Cowan is I don't know, like, he does good content. I'll put it that way. He does good content, but I don't know how actionable it is. Like, I don't know how you could ever trade based on the information that he... Maybe if you're like just buying and holding. Because I've watched, like, I used to watch a lot of his videos. Nah, that's a while ago. That's like 2 years ago. I used to watch his videos religiously. But they're all like, I don't know, they're all like on the monthly chart. Like some fucking indicator, some band is like compressing, and some fucking oscillator is like going into the red at the bottom of the screen. He's like, the next 6 months are going to be a great time to buy if you plan on holding for 10 years or more. And it's like, my brain can't handle that. It's too long. My ADHD brain needs something that I can action today. He's informative. Something brewing here. His mathematics on BTC is gold. What is GMA doing? Oh yeah. It's definitely not going to run the previous high. I saw someone posted on Twitter that he has some options trade, like crazy size, like 100 million or some shit. GME USDT. I didn't even know that was a ticker. 200 million. Yeah, fucking wild. And he was up like $6 million. Ben's stream is more informational and educational, not tradable. There you go. There you go. Jimmy halted again. Yeah, no, I'm not hating on him. I'm just... W with the W. We go into the moon. I was actually looking at W. Let me just see. 35 seconds. Do I have time to open this chart? The WUSDT chart. No, Lala. We're not going to the moon until we get either of those. One of those red lines. We need one of those red. We need one of those red memes to play out. Okay. 8 seconds. Price pumping into this. The bullish one? They're both bullish. Few. And nothing. Oh, 49.3. No Chroma membership for you. Oh, wait. 51.3. That was the Canadian one. Chroma membership for you. Let's do this. Okay, we got 51.3. What was the guess? Lala knows something we don't. Yeah. Yeah, B&B is a sick chart. What was the guess again? 51 point something? Uh, 50.9 was the expected. He guessed 51.8. Okay. So it was actually closer to expected. Marginally. He calculated a 0.9% increase. Which would have meant 51.35. Did he get it right or did he get it wrong? I think he got it wrong. Just about. It's close though. Oh, okay. Look where we just hit. Look where we just hit. Okay, I gotta post this to Twitter. Imagine it rejects here. Okay, we're gonna flick into Teal Street. So I don't destroy your irises. As I go light mode for this screenshot. I mean, that's it. I wonder, do we go higher though? Yeah, I'm not interested in fading this move yet. I think the fade will come. I don't know about getting bullish here. Maybe we short this on the breakout account. Just hate swing shorting. Hate swing shorting so much. You use this. You've been up all night. The differential was 0.9% in the PMI to the expansion side. There you go. There you go. TP your longs before fading this, yeah. Okay. Missed that H4 open entry now, just depressing watching price rip down bad. What was your idea? H4 open entry. I don't know. I didn't see too much. Even last night, man. Just watching price do all kinds of shit things. Are we back? Yeah. We're so back, and this time it's different as well. Not only are we so back, but this time it's different. Exactly. Not only are we so back, but this time it is different. We never left, yeah. Tomorrow it's so over. Imagine if it rejects here though. I quit price action trading forever. I know, I quit I say goodbye to ICT methods forever. And become a pure pattern trader. Just feels like I should be short here. Tomorrow it's Jover. Absolutely feels like I should be short here. Let the New York bleed begin, yeah. So what are we on now? Almost the first 30 minutes. First 22 minutes of New York, we got a pump. First 20 minutes of New York, we got a pump. You can just say that. Plus 20. M5 structure was coiling going into H4 open, was going to scalp at least and run off the local highs. Yeah. One last push to take those highs, you mean? Do you mean, this law? Nice. Your TP is there. Bruh, I want to short this. You're doing ODTE on the goal, but it's not really doing anything. ODTE, 0 DTE. Bro, you're gonna have me, 0 days to expiration. Man, I do not understand these option terms. Never touched options in my life. Please don't make me, my stream is already, makes me feel very, stupid. You don't need to add fuel to that fire. Trust me. You thought this time is different? We all thought, we were all tricked into thinking that this time it's different. We were all tricked. Oh. Frankie and Sandrino Akamara. Beautiful. Wow. This guy has 92 subscribers on YouTube. It's a gorgeous set. Oh, I know this one. Oh, this is a banger track. I put it in the Twitch chat. Frankie and Sandrino Akamara. Yeah, go check out this guy's set. I'll put it in the Twitch chat as well. Guy has 92 subscribers. Don Sander, appreciate the follow. What's up, my man? The next PMI is coming. I saw there was a Canadian PMI as well. It's degenerate behavior, but I love trying to predict what the clouds might look like. I say again, I don't know if you're using that as a euphemism for something else. Your eyes in the chart for the rest of the day. Nice, Don Sander. I also see you're a fellow partner. You know, partners gotta stick together, right? Except I can't select your name for some reason. Bruh. I want to get involved on the short side. The clouds is in, you never know how they might shift, just like the charts. Yeah, no, with the 6-month resub, let's go. We love the subs. How's the challenge, says Daily Joke? We're up 60%. Just tomorrow it'll be 1 month since I started. So we're on 8K. Started with 5K. Oh, it's so fucking. If it looks like I'm sweating, it's because I'm literally dripping. So fucking warm in this country. I'm naked from the. I'm actually wearing a belly top. I'm naked from the midsection down. Just sweating into my chair. Stand up. You'd love that, Nico, but that's a different website. I haven't started doing OnlyFans streaming just yet. We're just doing Twitch, YouTube, and Twitter for now. That's a premium subscription service. I'm not wearing pink shorts. I mean, I'm wearing my birthday suit if that's what you're asking. TMI the Bitmark. I'm pretty sure people want to know. That's information that people need to know. Challenge though. Challenge, we're sitting on 8K after 13 trades. Let me see. Yeah. 13 trades. Such a good track. Holy shit. What's the temperature outside? It's not even that much. It's like 15 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Celsius. But for Ireland, we're not equipped for that. 8 wins, 5 losses, 12 longs, 1 short. That's what the equity curve looks like. That's what the equity curve looks like. This is the old equity curve on Teal Street. 14 in the capital bay. There you go. Probably not too far off it. You're done for the day, Kobru. Are you active in Discord, Kobru? Damn. That's unfortunate. Trading at M1 FEGs, boys. It's so over. M1 break structure. M1 FEG. Kind of rejecting from this meme high. Bro, I want to fade this. Let's see, we might get this. This kind of shit. The magnificent candle. Hi, Follis. What paid group do you run where you take live trades and provide signals? Chroma Trading, my man. The name is in the top left corner. Chroma Trading. Bruh, why am I short? Oh, nice. Nice candle. Yeah. Bruh. Why am I not short? Oh, this thing, I fucking can't read these charts at all. This thing, pre-market went up 70% and then dumped. Is that it? And then since market opened, it's dumped. Like 30%. Right, okay. Now I get it. Can you please talk a bit about trade management once you're in the trade? What do you want me to talk about? Do you have a touch reduced cut loss or have a fixed stop loss TP? Yeah. Sometimes you find yourself over clicking buttons. Yeah, a lot of the time, the best trades are the ones you just let play out. I know that over clicking can be a big problem for beginners and advanced traders alike. I'll sometimes reduce a trade position size if it's running against me. If it's running against me, like if I have a trade like this and price gives me my entry and then just fucking nukes my entry, it just does that and just starts doing this, I might cut half here. It depends. Because at that point I'm really lost conviction in the idea, but I don't want to give it I like, you know, I'll rarely just cut a trade wholesale. I'd rather de-risk, reflective of my evolving lack of conviction in the trade. There's nothing worse. I'd rather get stopped out on a trade idea than see it run, than see a trade idea I was in run without me. That happens with a short squeeze. It's a lot of selling. You mean on gold or Jimmy? H1 unicorn maybe will hold. It's not quite a unicorn, is it? Gamma squeeze. You're gonna go long, walk the dog. Take it easy, trade books. Catch you around. I'm guessing you're not actually a dub. I'm guessing you're blowing. When the chart spikes and crashes back to baseline instantly. Wait, are you telling me what a squeeze is? What a short squeeze is? Thank you. Tinani, appreciate the follow. Follows, do you really think we can take trades based on the 1 minute price actions? Yes, I do. You just got to be cognizant that your data set is so much smaller. M1 is noisy, don't get me wrong, but plenty of valid trade ideas can be executed on the M1. Price is fractal. You just, price is fractal. The same mechanisms and, the same price dynamics apply on lower time frame as they do on higher time frame. They're just less reliable. The data set is smaller, therefore the information you get from the market is less reliable. It's like if you take 100 trades, right, and you get some data from those 100 trades. Let's even go smaller. Let's say you take 10 trades. You have 7 wins and 3 losses. You might think like, wow, okay, my win rate is 70%. I lose 30% of trades. I win 70% of trades. But 10 is a tiny data set, right? It's really small. But if you take 1,000 trades, and let's say you have 700 wins and 300 losses, that's a much more reliable way of saying that you have a 70% win rate, right? You can't really say you have a 70% win rate, like, in general, based on 10 trades. 10 trades is too small a data set. But it's still data. You can still use that. You can say, well, I have a 70% win rate for the month of July, whatever it is, whatever those 10 trades were. You can still use that information. It's just not as reliable as a bigger data set. The same can be said about timeframes, right? If something happens on the H1 or the H4, right, you get like a structure shift or there's an imbalance, obviously that information is going to be more reliable to you than if that same thing happens on the M1 because the data set is bigger. On the M1, let's say in an hour, on an M1, you get 60 candles, right? Sorry, that's a bad way of looking at it. That's a bad way of looking at it. Let's say on a break of structure on the M1, you might only need like 10 candles to show that break of structure, right? Which is 10 minutes of price action. Whereas on the H4, you might need something more like 2 days to give you that information, right? So the data set is bigger, the information is more reliable, therefore you can act with greater conviction on those trade ideas. But that doesn't mean that you can't use the M1, right? Does that make sense? It's just to do with data. Like, people always say, like, what's the right way of interpreting this information? And, if OI is doing this and CVD is doing this, what's the correct way to, and, how do I pull my volume profile? What's the correct way? At the end of the day, like, they're all just tools, right? There isn't a strict right or wrong way of using those tools. It's really just about what information you want those tools to give you. What data do you want those tools to display, right? The same can be said about candlestick charts. You can argue that one time frame is more valid than another, but ultimately it's all just data, right? I might short something here if we get a... No structure shift just yet, though, so... just wait. Isn't considered a breaker, isn't well considered a breaker. You can call it a reverse short squeeze, but I'd say instead reverse gamma squeeze. So, Looky Luke. Is fundamental data really important on a lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame? What do you mean, is fundamental data important? Like, if Elon Musk says that he's buying Bitcoin and Bitcoin price is going up on the M1, then yes, I would argue that fundamental data is important. You know what I mean? I'm not sure what the question is. So yeah, this is my high time frame chart. I've been basing most of my high time frame trade ideas on this chart, even though this looks very messy. There is method to the madness. There is method to the madness. Where's my value area here? Interesting to see how high the value area is getting pulled here because of how much volume we put in the top of the range over the last 2 weeks. Berkshire Road, Warren Buffett and market sold his stack. Higher PMI should be bullish for Dixie, but it has dumped. Yeah, that's what we were discussing earlier in the stream. For example, market sentiment after bad inflation data, most of the time, it impacts the market over several days or weeks. Yeah, that's something that a lot of people don't often take into consideration. It can take days for the market to digest bullish or bearish news. It can take fucking weeks or months. Like, it's the same. People were like, why isn't ETH above 4K in the immediate aftermath of the ETF approval? There's a variety of reasons for that, but one of the reasons was that, yeah, market can take a long time to digest that kind of a bullish catalyst. In addition to the fact that it was just the approval. That was just the approval, which is, you can argue that it was already priced in to a degree. I mean, of course it was already priced in to a degree, but as what a degree that was, you can make an argument either way. Yeah, inflows don't start. I don't know, does anyone have a date for inflows yet? 3 weeks? 4 weeks? What's Yiffy doing? Someone posting about Yiffy. Oh wow, this thing is fucking down. Bruh. I think I wanted to buy one Yiffy. That was a plan I had on stream once upon a time. Was to buy one Yiffy and just forget about it. Just saw Silver HD chat and then looked up the chart. I don't know, what are Berkshire Hathaway doing? Also, what happened with Yiffy? Oh, Berkshire Hathaway fell 100%. The stock reversed the previous session's gain. The shares declined to $185 from $627. The stock was the worst performer among its peers. The Russell 3000 full line insurance subsector fell 0.4%. Oh, okay. Janug chart. Yeah, I might actually action that at some point soon. I don't know. Such a weird chart. Does anyone remember when Yiffy was trading higher than BTC? Does anyone remember when Yiffy was trading like fucking 100k or nearly 100k? Thank you, Rafiq. When is your underwater Inge bag resurface? Yeah, man. Fucking Inge. Dixie dropping a 6-month uptrend. Why does price tend to attract towards an FEG or an imbalance? I'm not going to pretend I know the reason for it. I know that people often talk about, like, rebalancing the books. People often talk about, people often talk about, satisfying both sides of the order books. Making the market more efficient. It's, once you get into actual price dynamics like that, I'm afraid, beyond the scope of my expertise. So happy, Brosif. I'm gonna leave this chart open. Yiffy, I don't know, man. The TA bag? Yeah, man. Inge bottom should be in. Man. Bruh. Just want to be patient. I want to short this. Just feels like we push higher first. Most of the alts had a 6% fall, so I think the bottom is in. Do you honestly think, though? I mean, BTC is trading at range high here. Do you know what I mean? Not saying the bottom can't be in for alts, but like, I often think, like, I have bags now that are around entry. BTC is trading at range high. If BTC pulls back to like 64k, which is absolutely, I don't care what you say, I think that's a very reasonable thing to assume that could happen. You know, you get something like this. Some alts will fucking die. If BTC does this, we're still just ranging, right? BTC does that, some alts will do another, like, they'll go like another 30% lower. You're expecting 53k BTC? Really? I don't know about that. Eventually, yes. At some point, yes. Auction, we're still trading the idea of the Bybit listing. Do you mean the Upbit listing? That idea is moot. Yeah, I might actually buy one Yiffy for 7 grand. Just buy one Yiffy and see if we can run it back to 100k. This shit looks like, I don't know, man. What does it look like? Looks like it's gearing up for the next leg up. No, I have no idea. How often do you see this fucking shit accumulating? Reminds me kind of oh, that's the end of that set.
Good morning, guys. My name is Chris Luno, and this is the rice field.
Good morning, Chris Luno. Whales accumulating Berkshire, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of like Yiffy. I might actually buy some. Maybe we go a little bit lower first. I don't know. I'll set an alarm. How about that? I'm not super sold just yet. Just seems like an obvious buy. If we get like 5k again. Shit really went to like fucking $3,000 something, $4,000. Hey, look at that. Meme arrow playing out. Oh, but yeah, no, I'm not trading that idea because we didn't get the pump. You would love to see a tech glitch on BTC to zero. I actually traded an order book glitch before on Delta. If anyone knows that exchange. It was like over 2 years ago now. Their market maker got liquidated. Some shit like that. It was some crazy shit. And BTC fucking wicked down to like $500. And I was trading. I was like trading the M1 when that happened. I just saw these huge wicks going down. I was like, what the fuck? So I set an order for like 30 BTC at $500, and it got filled. Or maybe it was $1,000, and it got filled. The price bounced back to whatever the price was at the time, like 40k or 50k. And I was up $950,000. And I sold the BTC, got the money in my account, USDT settled, sitting in my account. And I was like, holy shit, 950 grand, almost $1 million. And next thing, whole exchange goes down. I'm like DMing my guys, I'm like talking to guys on Telegram, like, what the fuck is going on? What's the story? They're like, we're looking into it. Market was trading outside parameters, blah, blah. I'm like refreshing the page all night. The whole exchange was down for like 24 hours. And the next morning, it goes online and everything had been rolled back. Everything had been reset to an hour before the market maker got liquidated. So all of my 900 grand was gone. I was back to 30k or whatever I had in the account. Everything rewound. And they said because the market was trading under abnormal conditions, they were just gonna reinstate everything from before the market maker got liquidated. I have a buddy who actually he was trading with them, and he wasn't even trading BTC. He was trading options. It was like something unrelated to that, and the options expired in the time that the exchange was down, and because he couldn't, but I don't even know how options work, but basically he got fucked over. He lost 50 grand, and that was 50k that he legit earned. I think he got some of that back, but I did not get a cent of my 900k. I kicked up a big stink. Market maker owns Delta, yeah. That was always wins. Oh yeah, stacks. Exactly, Mr. Velvet. Boys are long in stacks. Damn. Oh, Purdue's longing stacks. Let's go. B&B looks short. Can you please take a look? I don't think shorting B&B is the play. Did it run that high that everyone's been looking at? No. No shorts on B&B. No bueno. Too much liquidity. Patience. What do I think about BTC right now? I think it either goes up or down. Alright. This shit isn't bearish though. No real rejection. Catch coin got exploited. Oh, nice. Okay, I don't know anything about that. What's up, Abel Mags? Delta Exchange. Yes, sir. He sued them, right? Did he sue them? No, he kicked up a fuss. He got some traction on Twitter. And they gave him something back. Now, I asked for something back and I didn't get it. I was a baby influencer back then. I had like 3,000 followers. I tell you, if that happened now, I would throw the toys out of the crib. Throw the toys out of the pram. Florlo, appreciate the follow. And Megal, thank you for the follow. And True Alpha, appreciate the follows, guys. Thank you. Also, Tinani, thank you for the follow. Lots of follows. We love the follows. I'm gonna sue Bullish Bear. Oh, Star Viewer, let's go. You got kicked off your spot. Bullish Bear 1921. Let's go, Bullish Bear. Appreciate that, brother. The first time you use your follows coins, you save up some more, man. Just need to save up some more. Is there a timeout on Star Viewer? Yeah, I think it's an hour. Or maybe it's one per stream. I think it's an hour though. Mine hasn't even been an hour. That's untrue. That can't be right. You think now is short time? It looks a little bit distributive, I'm not gonna lie. You're seeing Catania again live in 2 weeks. Let's fucking go. That's awesome. I think for this to look really sell-offy, we need to for sure break this low and start putting in stuff here. If we get this, I'll short here. Sorry, that's the worst fucking drawing. Look at that shit though. mean, that's a trade. Like 1.5 or 1 or. Here's your 1 or trade. He's back at 3.8. Yeah, bros, this is done. Stacks don't look so good anymore. You got it right after the timeout? There you go. Took a long at 9:45 on uni. What is it now? Rip. Fucking rip, boys. What is this fire mix? This is Chris Luno. See if Ricky's still in the chat. Bruh, I'm annoyed I didn't follow my own squiggly line short here. Give me 8, please. Can't fucking type. Boys, don't fade. Don't fade the meme triangle. I saw the rug pull, yeah. Sometimes you should pattern trade, yeah. Yeah, H4 looks fucking awful. Bros, let me get short, please. Give me something like this, please. Please, please, please. I think Ricky is gone home. Let me Let me update that myself. Music. Might be something like this. So trade books. Into WFEG. What do you mean? Burgers dumped on your face. Yes, exactly. It's pretty much the story of the New York session. Oh, so annoying getting a shitty entry like this. Short into weekly FEG. That's oh, 66K, yeah. Wow, H12 looks fucking terrible. Long way to go before the candle close, but... I use Lee Chess. I don't play chess on chess.com anymore. For Lee Chess. You gonna take this short? I feel like there's a better short setup. I have to run my rating back up on Lee. What do you mean? I'm strong with chess.com. I just prefer the open source idea. I just prefer Lichess. I prefer how it feels for the UX. Price going down without me as well, yeah. I'm actually so tilted I didn't fucking take this. I was literally talking about it. It'd be up like $1,000 now if I'd done that. Such an easy short to take. I was 2,200 on chess.com. No, biggest I ever got on chess.com, or highest I ever got on chess.com was like not even 2K, like 1,950 or something like that. On to the next one, what do you mean? Oh, thank you, Ricky. I think I got it. I think I got the command. I edited it in Nightbot. Your 1700s on Lichess? Nice. That's pretty good, though. To be fair. So Purdue's pretty adamant we're gonna bounce once we sweep 69K. What's the 69K level here? You get that grand. Yeah, I don't know. Feels like there's gonna be a better setup. I hate shorting so far down the move like that. Not even halfway retraced. What's up, baby boss? Gambari. What's up, Jeffy? I'm 2,200 on Lichess, not chess.com. BDC will definitely give you one more chance to short. Blah, blah, blah. Just be ready. Let's work on which level we will short in the next 2 hours. Yeah. But I'm still annoyed. Too clean. Too clean. Dixie nuking. Yeah, I saw that. Bro, look at his fucking H4 candle. What is this H4 candle? Yeah, I saw that uptrend thing on Dixie. Oh wow. When did I mark up this chart? Wow, I really thought, yeah. I really thought that this would, geez, I haven't looked at this chart in months. I really thought we would get that. Interesting. Dixie Trader Extraordinaire. Dixie's just ranging, isn't it? Typical New York Open, yeah. Sorry lads, the bull market is cancelled. Bull market cancelled, guys. About to flashbang, so everyone wash your eyes. That's a serious sell-off. Bruh, I need to blind, yeah. I know, I'm sorry. Just gotta do it for the old Twitter post, right? Looks fucking bad though, I'm not gonna lie. You hate Mondays. The Garfield pattern. What we put as the caption here. Bull market cancelled, see you in 2027. Bull market cancelled, see you in 2027. That's a good one. Just the right amount of it's the right amount of clickbait. Berkshire Hathaway rugged. Full Berkshire Hathaway rug. Bull market cancel, see you in 2027, lads. That's the proverbial stick in the hornet's nest. So, Bam, nice said. It's if you go to Twitch, we have a command. It's Chris Luno. Chris Luno in Bali, I think. Off the top of my head. The bottom is in. The bottom is in because I bear posted. It's a very fair appraisal. Is Sato streaming right now? Sato, Korean streamer. Live streamer Sato. He is. He just shorted. This is a great track. Apparently 2027 is the next run. Yes, exactly. I mean, so he shorted. It's a 5 BTC position. He's up $700. Good for him, you know. What's his liquidation? 70.5K. Do we long this? Yeah, 70.5. You bet BTC will be around 100K in 2027. I think it'll be 100K 2025. I don't know about 2027. I think anyone telling you what price BTC will be in 2027 is high level LARPing. It's very hard to say what price BTC will be in a month, much less 3.5 years. Sorry, did my math fail me there? 2.5 years. Okay, we might long this. You're long. We gotta fade. We gotta fade poor old Sato. We didn't take any liquidity levels, that's the only thing. You're in this for the next 30 years. I'm betting we'll see new uses in the coming years. Yeah, maybe. Can we at least sweep these lows? Berkshire Hathaway tanked 85%. Yeah, someone was saying, or someone on Twitter said they tanked 100%. $70.5K should be liquidated in 24 hours. He shorted the low, he's high on vape, yeah. Back to being so over. He's back to being up $700. He's up $1,000 now. $68.6. Yeah, the meme triangle excess. Wow, he's gonna be up a ton now. He's gonna be up like $2,000 because BTC just dumped. Yeah, he's up like 2.5K now. Good for him. Do we fade? H4 looks atrocious, I would say. Yeah. Guys, don't fade the meme pattern. That's so fucking funny. That's so fucking funny. That really is kind of funny. I'm sorry. If you're scared, you need to zoom out. If you're scared, you need to not be trading. Sorry, boys. Satanya, appreciate the follow. Meme patterns are respected way more. Yeah, man, it's kind of nuts. It's kind of nuts how much I used to goof on them. But like, kind of wild. See what Sato's up to. I mean, he's up big on that. He got rewarded for bottom shorting. I mean, we have an H4 FEG at 68.3 now. I wonder, does he round trip this whole thing? $2K is 3,000,001. Wait for 50K. For what? You just took partials on your short from 70. I think it's going to drop to 67. Market maker is hunting liquidity right now. I mean, that's something, right? Tons of long liquidations on that move down. Was rummaging in a few different discords this morning, catching sentiment. So many were short 69.2. They all got blown out. H4 looks bullish. That looks bullish. Berkshire Hathaway was a bug. Is that what this is, though? I think this is just the reaction from the CPI pump, no? By that I mean long liquidations. More long liquidations to come, yeah, probably. Long BTC now, if you want. It's being counted as a New York Stock Exchange error. What's up, Epane? Purdue's getting his bounce. He said sweep 69K and we would bounce. Have dinner now and watch, yeah. Tradeer, appreciate the follow. BC going to 51K. I don't know about that. Just don't like this. I don't like the meme triangle. Let's see. Sato round tripped a lot. Wolf on the H1? What do you mean? The wicks on H1 from 72K. What do you mean? Rose is looking interesting. I saw a few people trying to trade that thing. Still monitoring Sato. He's almost round tripped the whole thing. Let me run to the bathroom real quick. Oh, Sato's gonna get in trouble now. BTC drops 1K, people panic. Do they? I actually don't see any panic on the timeline, to be honest. Rose, yeah, we're looking Rose. I'm not bearish here because BTC dropped 1K. I'm bearish here because we're trading at value area high and range high. This looks kind of good though. Leaves for bounce back into the mid 69Ks. His realized P&L is still negative. I think I've never seen his realized P&L positive, so. Bullish retest of the previous all-time high. I don't think the previous all-time high is a... I don't know, does that level have much bearing on price today, to be honest. I think we're bouncing because we swept these lows. Check Ondo, check Sol. I checked Ondo already. Are we looking at Sol? Oh, Orti's up big today. 5% on the day. It's pretty good. At previous all-time high. I mean, for sure, like, yeah, it's an important SOR level, but I don't think it has a huge amount of relevance. I don't think like people are bidding that level because it was a previous all-time high. Yeah, we got a ton of 69K retests. Oh, he's underwater. Who would have guessed that shorting the low wouldn't play out? If it memes much, yeah. A lot of constipation around 69K. Just refusing to shit. I think, so, my view, this is a fucking messy chart. Please don't judge me on this. My view of BTC, like, hasn't really changed in the last couple of months. We're still just ranging, right? We're still just ranging, and until price breaks out or breaks down from the range, I'm just gonna treat it like a range, trade it like a range. That means bearish at value area high, bullish at value area low. I don't know, you see it every time. People get super scared here and super frothy here. I'm just treating it like a range until proven otherwise. Now, if price breaks out here and does this, yeah, absolutely, I'll flip my bias. Look to get long. And actually, something I mentioned before is the longer price consolidates beneath resistance, the more likely an expansion to the upside becomes, that's exactly what price is doing now. So that's very bullish, in my opinion. Otherwise, you're just waiting for retrace. You're just waiting for something like this, right? I'm very bullish on BTC in the medium to long term, that doesn't mean you can't be short-term bearish here when price is failing to break above value area high. Now, I will say, as I said a moment ago, this consolidation at resistance, you guys know I've spoken about accumulative versus distributive PA before. This looks extremely accumulative, right? Like tightening like a spring, getting ready to pop. The fact that we're doing that at the range high, pretty fucking bullish. But fundamentally, I just have to treat this like a range, okay? Treating it like a range means trying to find a bearish thesis at range highs and trying to find a bullish thesis at range lows. You're back, bring you the Coke. Yeah, people saying like, if you're bearish here, people are like, oh, what a bear tired. Guy can't see that we're going to be trading at 100K and by the end of the year. I do think we're going to be trading at 100K. Probably Q4 or maybe Q1 of next year. I absolutely do think that. But that doesn't mean we can't do this. Alright? Trading at a resistance level that has been resistance like how many times before? You can argue 5 or maybe even 6, right? I know like every touch over the resistance level makes it more likely we're going to break through, and I also know the consolidation below resistance makes it more likely that we're going to expand to the upside. That said, I'm happier to wait until that happens and then look for longs, you know? Rather than guessing that this time is going to be different. Rather than guessing that this time we're going to break out, I'm happier to bet on rejection. It doesn't need to be, I'm not betting on this, right? I'm just betting on a pullback to maybe to these, you know, maybe to this trend line support, which is fucking playing out, or maybe to this daily FEG, right? Shorting here and you're just looking for small drop. That's it. That's it. It also means that I'm not opening new longs here. So I'm not really interested. Aside from scalping, I'm not really interested in swinging any long positions on BTC here, just because of where we're trading. So that's my honest to God BTC view. Not a perma bear. I'm not saying we're going to trade 50K by the end of the month. I'm just saying that for me, for the way I analyze the markets, it makes sense to pull back here, right? That's why I'm not opening any new longs here. I'm not jumping into fucking shorts either. But for me, I'm more short biased here than I am long biased. However, I think with every passing day that we spend putting in this type of price action at range high, at value area high, the less bearish I become, the more likely that I think a bullish breakout is going to happen. Study consolidation below resistance, right? Study accumulative PA at range highs. It normally means that we're going to get a breakout to the upside, right? But that doesn't mean I'm market longing here and targeting, you know, 74K liquidity. Just sitting on my hands for the moment, leaning slightly more bearish than bullish, but as I said, that changes. That changes if we continue to do this. Otherwise, I would love to see something like this, something like this, something like this. I would love to see that, right? We would try and get short here, we would try and close here, we would try and get long here, we would try and close here. Something like that. That's my view on BTC. Follows is right again. Well, I'm very often wrong. I don't mind saying that. But that's not what trading is about. That's not what good analysis is about. It's not about being right all the time. It's about playing probabilities. You can be right. You can be right less than half the time and still make tons of money. It's just about managing risk allocating capital to the right places at the right time. Who the fuck cares, man? You can be wrong on 5 trades in a row. The 6th trade will make it all back twice over. Trading isn't about being right, it's about making money. Alright? So this stream suddenly got extremely German. Extremely Hausaufgaben. The stream got sehr gut all of a sudden. Do I know Capri Sun? Like the actual, the drink? I assume you're not talking about the drink. Sato's down $1,000 now. Do I know the drink? Yeah. I thought you were talking about like a trader. Hey, do you know Trader Capri Sun? One more fake out down to the meme triangle with lots of trap shorts. Yeah. The poppy thing we discussed. The poppy thing we discussed. Coke bottle popping. They used to have cocaine in Coca-Cola. I don't know, is that one of those I don't know, is that one of those actually true facts? Or whether it's one of those things like that you just hear people saying. Like the thing like, oh, did you know that you eat 8 spiders in your lifetime? What's true, the 8 spiders thing or the Coke and Coca-Cola thing? Don't tell me the 8 spiders thing is true. Coke thing is true. But you know, it's like one of those things you might Google it and it's like, oh, that's actually a common misconception, right? You think this is a downtrend? They will go look for liquidity to at least 60K. Let's see. As I said, I'm leaning slightly bearish. Already looking solid here. Yeah, already looks good. The fuck is this? That's the end of the mix. GG Chris Luno. It's a good one. We're taking it up a level. The energy levels are rising. I actually don't know this mix. Oh, it's Miss Monique, okay. Posted in the chat. Did the stream just break? Are we back? The stream just froze? Can everyone hear me? Can everyone hear me? Am I back? Stream bricked. Yeah. It's logged in the National Institute of Drug Abuse. Cocaine was legal at one stage and even patented as a common ingredient. I know they used to have it in they used to use it in dentistry to numb your gums before they operated. And actually it's funny because anyone who has partaken, you know that when you go to the dentist and they put that numbing gel on your gums, you're like, ah, I've felt this sensation before. Thank you, Chill Pill. Okay, you know what? What do you do if you're hungry but your girlfriend is cooking dinner 1.5 hours later? Oh, I fucking eat, man. I just eat. She's always like, you're gonna ruin your appetite. And I'm like, press F to doubt. I have a big ass appetite though. I'm a big dude. You probably can't really see it from the stream, but like, I'm a big dude. I'm nearly 100 kg. I used to lift pretty heavy weights. I used to play rugby. Those days are behind me now, so I'm a little bit smaller than I used to be. But the appetite hasn't gone away. LDO on low time frame. Eat so much, yeah, man. It's a curse. What was my position in rugby? I played back row or second row. I'm like I was one of those guys that played second row in school, and then I got to university, and like the second rows were all like 6'7", huge lads, and I'm not small. I'm 6'3", but like playing second row, you really need. Kind of need to be like at a minimum 6'5". You don't really see many university second rows that are below 6'5". So I kind of started playing more back row then. Take it easy, Stray Books. Yeah, I just fucking eat, man. I don't think there's anything. I never spoil my appetite, so. How fortunate are we? Light version of Doc Disrespect. What's the Doc Disrespect? Because you guys are the jumper. What does you guys are the jumper mean? What does you guys are the jumper mean, and what does light version of Doc Disrespect mean? Who's disrespecting who? That Doc Disrespect. Doctor Disrespect. Doctor Disrespect. Light version of Dr. Disrespect. I'm a light version of Dr. Disrespect. They did me dirty. So I'm the light version of Dr. Disrespect. Okay. That's okay. I can handle that. This is what I'm apparently the light version of this guy. I'll take that. You don't play FPS games? Yeah, I guess not. I guess this guy's like a Call of Duty streamer or something. Second row jumper during line ice, exactly. Hannah from Jump got fired. You were scrum half? Purdue, you seem way too big to be a scrum half. The famous Dutch rugby team. We playing rugby in the Netherlands anyway. You're not big at all. You look big. You look big on stream. You look kind of hench, you know. I look literally nothing like Dr. Disrespect. Let's see. Can I... Is that... He's kind of got the longer hair. It's hard. Something like that. I don't know, did that work? It's not very popular. But there is something. There you go. You were left winger fullback. That was 15 years ago. You miss playing rugby, too old and unfit. Now you're never too old and unfit. I might try and short this. $66K. Okay. Feels like we gotta give this a shot. We'll call it a hedge, right? The way. Google for the followers, he's 6.8 or 6.9. That's a match, 70%. Barat, with respect, what the hell are you talking about? Light version, Google for the followers, he's 6.8 or 6.9. That's a match, 70%. I have no idea what that means. Half an hour for the big move up or down. BTC drops here. Avo probably going lower than 96. I like your way of thinking, Joey. You're $75 short. Man, it's the worst position to be in. We were short $75, or we were short $100 a few weeks back on that phase one, and we ended up longing TRB. It was just the most uncomfortable trade in my life. don't love this trade, but I'm probably gonna take it. Do one of those trades where you take partials. If you don't love it, don't take it. No, no, no. That's not the way. Take all the trades. Jokes aside, though, I was about to make a joke there. Jokes aside, I've actually found that when I take all the trades, I do much better than when I pick and choose the trades. That's actually something I need to get better at. Is taking all the setups. I know that sounds so counterintuitive, but I found the setups, the expected like profitability off any setup that I chart is in the positives, right? Might only be 0 plus 0.5 or I don't fucking know. I haven't done the maths. Black Angel 294, appreciate the follow. But the expected profitability is such that if I take all of the setups that I chart, normally I will end up making more money than if I only take the best. Right? I'm doing a lot of this today. I feel a little bit, who does that? Dr. Evil and Austin Powers? You young kids probably don't even remember those films, but, they were big when I was a wee lad. Mike Myers. Liz Hurley. It was the whole thing. You always take the losing trades and miss profitable ones. That's the thing. Probability wins, yeah. I mean, for this trade to have a positive EV, there would only need to be, in theory, 3.5 or 4.5 into 100, 9, 11. I'm doing quick maths. 11 by 3.5. Fuck, man. 11 by 7. 77%. Bear with me, I'm getting somewhere. This trade could be 77% likely of failing. It could have, let's flip that around. This trade could have only a 20, let's say 25% success rate, and it would still be positive EV for me to take. If I think that the expected chance that this trade plays out is greater than around 23%, then it makes sense to take it. I think you can check my maths there. I think it's good. So let's say 25%. Let's give ourselves a little bit of margin for error. If I think that this trade has a better than 25% chance of playing out, and I mean for full TP, then it makes, from a probabilistic sense, it makes sense to take that trade. All right? Come at me, maths bros. Who said that lawyers can't do fucking maths, huh? Where are the engineering guys now, huh? TRB is your initials, so you put your net worth into it. Or 3.5, you need a 22% edge. Exactly. That's exactly what I said. I said 23%. So if there's greater than 23%, don't fade the maths, boys. Don't fade the maths. If there's a greater than 23% chance, then it makes sense to take it. We got the fucking quants in the chat. The square root of 69 is 8 something. Shine was a scam. What's Shine? It's about to be listed in the UK stock market. What's up, Jeb? Don't liquidate me. Short now, EV plus. Matter of fees plays a role, yeah. Shitting. Shitting. Is it not Shine? It's a Chinese shop? Okay. They're very interesting alts. XAI moving. Already still up. In Ina. Bruh. Oh yeah, I was looking at this. This was super fucking clean. On Ina. We're looking at Avo, Jack. We're longing Avo. Join us. Go to the first high. What's the first high? Here? 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 H4FEG, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. The very first one at listing. Bruh. What do I use for anchored VWAP? AVWAP? I don't know, is this the correct one? I haven't used anchored VWAP in a long time. AVWAP. Whoops. Okay, we got it. It's a projection tool. Is it? Somewhere over here? Anchored volume profile. Anchored VWAP. Holy moly, boys. Look at that. Wow, I genuinely have never used that tool. Glad to know that the indicator I've been using is correct, though. Damn, bros. Man, sometimes I just think the default colors in TradingView are so gnarly. Do something like that. This is a nice mix, gotta say. Is anyone else like, you can't have it on... Am I the only one? I cannot have this shit on 49 or 51. It needs to be 50 bang on. AVWAP. What's up, Dickaflex? Take it easy, trading Jip. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Yes, you're 9 hours in. That's Guru. Sorry, I saw you rebranded as Trading Jip. So when am I on? Am I on? I hope you didn't leave. Am I on in an hour? And 15 minutes? Shout out Trading Jip, by the way. Just give him a shout out. Shout out? No, that's not how you do it. Shout out Trading Jip. Go follow Trading Jip, who is formerly known as Trading Guru. I think I'm doing the charity stream with him in an hour, but it might be in 15 minutes. What tire do I run on my fixie? I should know this. What's the thinnest tire? Is it 27 mil? 25 mil? I should know this. I should know this because I was talking to a bike guy. I got a bike for my girlfriend. And we were having the bike guy chats, you know? And I mentioned fixie tire with... I'm pretty sure it's... No, it can't be 27. Yeah, 7 over 20, 25. It's 25. I don't think I'm rocking 23s. I think I'm rocking 25s. Yeah, I like this idea. Jeb's idea is to long the lower band. And I really like that. So I'm going to wait for a 20% drop and then we long Ina. Thank you for this heads up, Jeb. Without you, I would have probably longed higher, but because you've alerted me to the view app lower band, we're gonna wait for lower. So hopefully that doesn't stop you out. What your idea is, you're already long. Well, I can't help you if you're top longing. That's all I'll say. I can't help you if you're top longing. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna be, have you heard of the little thing called smart money? Yeah. I thought so. A little thing called OTE, motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Jeb says, I'm going to tell my own mother about this one. Oh, Jeb says, Follis, please tell my mother about it when you see her next. Okay, I will. I'm actually seeing her later this evening, so that shouldn't be too much of an issue for me. Do you want me to mention anything else to her? Because we're pretty... You know, it's been so long now that we've been... Just let me know, man, if you have any messages for her. Just let me know. I'm happy to pass them forward. She's a lovely, lovely lady. I'll say it again. Just a nice woman. Don't do Jeb like that. Jeb does himself like that. I can't help it. I can't help it. Not like this. Can we get our fucking short entry here? Where are your shoes? Are DWF in on ladies? I just saw that. Jeb gonna take this with him to the grave? I actually will set an alarm there though. If BTC pulls back, that could be a nice one. It's a messy ass chart though. This fucking mix is fuego. Your legal team will be in touch. Who started it? Jeb started it. Jeb always starts it. Just get those VWAP bandy things off. Bro, don't do VWAP dirty like that. The only thing I don't like is this is not a low time frame chart. Let's get rid of that. What was the thingy with Berkshire going minus 99%? Yeah, I have no idea. All I saw was that it rugged. Bros, I might actually buy some Yiffy. As wild as that sounds. What does Skew say? DK8996. Appreciate the sub, brother. Thanks so much. Dusk. Thank you, Joey. Trading got halted for a while. Yeah, I saw that. On GME. Hell yeah, brother. Greetings from Iraq. JTO quadruple bottom. I think it needs one more bottom to really solidify. Yeah, went from 600k to 185. I saw that. The fabled quintuple bottom. Scipio Africanus with the 6-month resub. Thank you so much, Scipio. What a legend. Appreciate it, bro. How can you get a free sub? I think you have to watch to collect however many Follis Florins the free sub channel point is. I redid all the channel point awards for Twitch like a month ago, and some of them haven't even been used once yet. How down bad is that? I spent a whole weekend doing them. By diversifying into Twitch streaming and YouTube streaming, I have killed the Twitch points economy. Free sub is hella expensive for a reason. Because I'm poor. I can't afford to be spending €5 every stream, giving you free subs. It's designed. It's a feedback loop. Someone sees it, they're like, yeah, I need to get that. So it's the most expensive item on the list. How do you get it? You stay in the stream. Keep watching. How do you get more points? You comment in the chat. See, it's a vicious social media circle designed to entrap you. Star viewer from Never Gonna Make It Have Fun Staying Poor. We love it. NGMI. Have fun staying poor. Love the handle. You are the star. Exactly. Or gamble, exactly. We haven't done a gamble in a while, actually. The thing about gambling is that we have so many viewers that can't do the gambling thing now because they're not watching on Twitch. Yeah, poor Bullish Bear. Render looks good now, even though it was gonna break down. Yeah, render, well, you know my thoughts on render. Bruh. Still waiting for this. You know how to render your sex. That sounds lewd. I better check if I'm fucking supposed to be doing this charity stream in 5 minutes. Let me see. Five to 6 UTC. So it's 5 where I am now on UTC +1. So in an hour. Okay. We got it sorted. So I'm gonna stream here for another hour. Then I'm jumping straight onto Jip's stream. We're doing a charity stream. So we'll stay on here for another hour. Let's see if we get a feel here. If you see this chart, do you bet up or down? With who? With Trading Guru. He changed his name to Jip, which I presume is his actual name. Nothing against it. Why does Kimbo always stay high and say Latucci? Oh, BTC just crossed our level. Do we short? This is the question. Short all in, yeah. Okay, we will try it. Because why not? Very scary. I'm probably not. My validation probably closer. Probably more like here. We'll see.
Tell me where to go. Tell me where to go tonight. Cold is caving in. My patience is paper thin.
All in 300x exactly.
Tell me if it's wrong or right.
You're only fooling yourself if you're not going 300x leverage. Let's get that 4.8. Be more comfy shorting ETH. Yeah. I don't know, man. This thing has a habit, especially if BTC is leading. ETH just has this habit of fucking popping as money rotates. Yeah, the second short. I'm scared. I'm already scared. Let's go. Where is his stream live? It's live on his Twitch channel. Yeah, we're shorting. It's extremely speculative. I'm kind of expecting to be knocked out of this one, but nah, we don't wait for a trigger. We're DJs. We don't wait for triggers because we're idiots. How's Sato doing? Sato's down $1,000 on his I hate being on the same side of the trade as Sato, not gonna lie. Feels very unwholesome. Feels very strange. ETH live tomorrow in Australia. What does that mean? No, this is it's changed. I think Ricky's gone. Let me change it myself. Music. Wow, it really takes some time. There we go. Now try it again. Oh, what is the link? Don't worry, Ricky. We've done it. We've done it already. There we go. Look at that. Wow, we're so back with this short. Send it lower. Send it lower with haste. Is Sato that bad? He's an interesting character. He tends to be on the wrong side of the trade a lot, in my experience. Respect him for trading live, but seen him on the wrong side of the trade a few times. Where's my TP? Where was you TP? Did I use a fib to get that level? No. Oh yeah, we're getting a bit of a sell-off now. Two chicken wraps and a packet of potato. Revived, man. Chicken fillet rolls are fucking like god tier, and it's so unfortunate that other countries don't do them. It's kind of sad. Okay. I just posted an essay on leverage.
drop bombs, drop acid.
Always use less than 5x leverage to reduce risk of liquidation. That's absolutely not. Wait, that's jab. For a second there, I was gonna get annoyed and be like, no, that's not it at all. Wait. My YouTube stream was, my YouTube stream got rugged. What happened? My YouTube stream got rugged. What happened? Stream unavailable? Stream suspended for policy violations? Bruh. Is my YouTube stream down? Oh, we got rugged. Stream suspended for policy violations. Rip boys. Stream suspended for... Go Twitch. Everyone who was watching me on YouTube, please
Tokyo. Acid. Los Angeles.
go into Twitch.
Acid. Sydney.
So I got
Acid.
suspended because the song is playing right now.
Paris. London. Acid.
Bruh.
Moscow. Acid. New York. Acid. Mumbai. Acid. Melbourne.
Melbourne. I got rugged. The YouTube stream is down. On Dead B, appreciate the follow.
Amsterdam.
Damn. I need to check that out. I don't want my account to get
Acid. Mexico. City.
fucked.
Las Vegas.
Maybe we don't play this song on stream anymore.
Stockholm. Acid. Detroit. Acid. Sao Paulo. Cape Town. Seoul. Acid.
Oh, I'm back. Really don't know what's going on there. World Series of Puppies. What a fucking handle. It's the best handle I've ever seen. I think we need to skip through this song because Miss Monique's gonna get us cancelled. No drug references in the songs, please. Or else Miss Monique's gonna get us suspended, YouTube account deleted. Alright, boys. Gonna go stops break even pretty soon, I think. Right? Stops break even pretty soon. Is buddy Sato back yet? No. Wow, he was down a lot. That's tasty. That's tasty music. want to see where he was down the most. Oh yeah, here he was down 2 grand when we got our entry. Interesting. Doesn't feel good to be on the same side of the contract as him though. We'll tap 70. Don't say that, baby boss. Chip Molinar is some name. Yeah, I suppose it is. A boy Jip. Yeah, Mr. Stops beat break even. I hate to be that guy, but we'll see. I'm not gonna move it now. Like, prices only moved like $100 and not even $200, so. Give me 5. Yeah, we like 5. Don't bounce, thank you very much. What's my entry? 69. Or maybe we just get stopped out in one candle. You want long, stop loss and Sato's break even. I wonder like how much, because for him like a few grand is nothing. I've seen him lose 20 grand on a trade before. Is my YouTube stream back? Oh, it is. Sweet. We're so back, boys. You haven't taken a trade yet this month? It's the 3rd of June, and it's a Monday. That's okay. It's okay not to have taken a trade. The month is like, it's okay not to have taken a trade. The month is like 48 hours old. And the first 2 days were Saturday and Sunday. The generational short, yeah. My stream got rugged again. My YouTube stream got rugged. Policy. What? Everyone get out of YouTube, go to Twitch. Why am I getting rugged on YouTube? It's Miss Monique playing the copyrighted tracks. Okay. Can someone dump not? Says to the people who aren't watching anymore. Yeah, it is a bit silly, I know. TechMox96, appreciate the follow. Yo, what's going on? Why is YouTube so bad? It's just this mix. I've never had streams rugged before. Okay, I'll try and get the homies into... Coming online tomorrow. No, I'm my next live stream is Wednesday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Can't believe I got rugged. You have a feeling of a god candle to 71. Good thing we don't take financial advice from the chat. Just give me a little bit of cushion. Just give me a little bit of cushion so I go stops break even. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No. No way. It's too much. I'd be knackered by Wednesday if I did 3 days in a row. I used to do like 3 days in a row, 4 days in a row. It's too much, man. I like it actually physically, it's too much. Being like, I'm not a guy who's like constantly chatting, constantly entertaining in my day-to-day life. So doing that on camera, fucking lights in my face, trying to find trades, trying to find setups, trying to mark up charts, trying to manage everything. I mean, it's a lot of work. I don't mind. I like it. I wouldn't do it if I didn't like it. What about emergency streams? Nah, I'm just gonna stick to the schedule. Sato says nothing and gets views. Yeah. I was thinking of doing maybe like a camera off scalping stream. Just no chatting, no banter. I hate that word so much, banter. No crack. Just low time frame scalping with heavy techno. You're here for my pretty color scheme. You faded LDO. For the culture. Okay, send this thing southwards. I wonder, are we gonna get a bullish reaction here? Bullish reaction is Sato's break even. I just hate this low. It looks so good. Like it looks like such a good bullish low. Wait, I'm back on YouTube. Bruh. Why do we keep getting rugged? Where's my Somehow I'm back on YouTube. No, down again. Blinder, appreciate the follow. And Techni, appreciate the follow. Thank you. Tech Mox, thank you for the follow. I have to jump streams in 30 minutes. S&P freefall? Show me, I want to see it. Oh yeah. $68,850. Are you cooked? Okay, here's the deal, boys. Once we hit this, is an M10? Not even. Once we hit that, I'm stops break even. How about that? That's the compromise. Can't believe I keep getting rugged. Stops break even for shorts in this trend always sensibly. Yeah. Especially for live trading, takes courage, probably gets so many hindsighters right, yeah. That's one of the tough things about live trading. Have a look at gold. Probably not. Probably not just while I'm in this trade. Everyone go like this post. Got a decent screenshot. Okay, once we hit 69K, I'm stops break even and I'm letting the trade play out. Say you had 100K in your trading account. What percentage would you leave on the exchange? Oh, I know what you mean. To reduce counterparty risk. What playlist you play? Do the music command. Voice study. Butter Snaps, appreciate the follow. Okay, getting a bit of a sell-off. All right, you know what? We tapped it, so stops break even now. Risk-free trade, innit? All right, boys. Stops break even. No money lost on this trade. Yeah, so sorry, to answer your question, I would keep like 10 to 20% of it. Your neighbor friend, appreciate the follow. I think we're gonna get a bounce here though. A little bounce. Lord of Kingmen, appreciate the follow. Send it lower. Alberto, appreciate the follow. My stream frozen? Are we still live? Is the stream still live? Bruh. Good, man. Stream freeze as soon as I try and do anything. Stream every day? No, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There's a drop, yeah. As soon as I try and do anything outside of the stream, it fucking freezes. It's bizarre. The post that I just made on Twitter, can you guys see that? Super weird. Can you guys see that post? Yeah, what did I tell you, boys? We're getting a bounce. Exactly where I thought we would. Francesco Ucci, appreciate the sub. So this is the real test. If we bounce back to entry, then I'm just not interested. Yeah, it's weird. It's like it's not coming up for me. This looks a little bit bouncy. Let's see. If it wants to bounce back all the way to entry, that's fucking fine. I won't care too much. Bouncing on meme trend line. No, I won't be checking the Discord, but what meme trend line are you talking about? Yeah, it looks a bit dodgy, not gonna lie. It's a little bit dodgy. Candle closes in 10 seconds. You know what? I'm not even gonna fucking... I'm not even gonna micromanage this trade. It either plays out or it doesn't. Stop is in profit anyway, so... It either plays out or it doesn't play out. That's it. H1 trend line. If it goes, it goes. Exactly. I fucking knew this would offer a bounce though. You see that all the time. When you get low like this, and it displaces and then puts in this PA, that always gives a bounce. There shouldn't be fucking... If this structure is what I think it is, there shouldn't be this follow through. But let's see. Bernisaki, appreciate the follow. Silent ST, appreciate the follow. Thank you, thank you. It's the balance of the challenge guy. You can see bottom left. 8170. Some part of me thinks I should just fucking close this. I have to jump off stream in 10 minutes and go join Jip's stream. Be really annoyed. I'll be annoyed either way. I'll be annoyed if I close it and it runs lower. I'll be annoyed if I don't close it and it runs higher. Let it run. I probably should. Stick to the original thesis. Just hate swing shorting BTC. Man, Jip. My boy Jip. Didn't have much faith in that short. Good entry. GG. Yeah, well, let's see. Hasn't played out yet. I could still come away with this with no money. It's very possible. Sorry, Nico. We had to do it. Because I have to leave this trade unattended. Normally I don't do it. I think I'm way more risk averse when I'm streaming, for sure. I don't like taking L's. I take enough L's in private. I don't like taking L's live on stream. Like, it's not like I don't like it, but there's some part of me that's definitely way more averse to the idea. Fucking run this low and send it lower. fake Forisu, exactly. He's just a phony. Sorry, someone asked about Teal Street. You can use Teal Street on Bybit, Binance, Femex, BitGet, Woo, obviously, is the one I'm using it on. BitMEX. Is that all of them? No, it's not just Blowfin. It's not just Woo. Blowfin, yes. Exactly, Hydra. Thank you. Okay, I think at this point we're letting the trade play out. Probably good chance it gets stopped, like 50-60% chance we get stopped. That's okay. 30-40% chance we run. I should say 60-70% chance we get stopped out. 20-30% chance we run. I might close out the whole thing if we get this. But I don't know, something tells me if we run this low, we're going lower. It's going to be a bearish Tuesday, so I don't know. I think the chances that we get a really big move to the downside here are enough for me to just fucking hold this. Even though it looks like we might get stopped out. If that happens, I'll be very tilted. But anyway, I gotta run because I am co-hosting a charity stream on Trading Guru's Twitch. I better go find his Jip. You better go find his Twitch account. Twitch.tv Crypto Guru Network. Did he change his Twitch account as well? Bruh. Twitch.tv Trading Jip. Trading Jip. What do you think of that one? Okay. Yeah, thank you, Saz. This is it. So I'm gonna jump on there like in like 5 minutes. I'm co-hosting for an hour. It's a 24-hour charity stream. It's for a good cause. I don't know what cause it's for. For charity, though. Charity's always good, right? Meanwhile, we're about to get stopped out of our short. That's okay as well. That's fine. But yeah, I will catch you guys. Let me get into the right screen here. Yeah, we're short BTC. We're looking for lower. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's completely fine. That's just nature of the game. But we are stopped in profit now. I'm not losing money on this trade. So let's see how it goes. I guess I'll check in with you guys on Twitter later and let you know whether I got stopped or not. But in 10 minutes from now, 5 o'clock UTC, I'm jumping on screen with Jip, aka Trading Guru. We're gonna do. I'm gonna be co-hosting for an hour. It's a 24-hour live stream for charity. So yeah, do jump on. Let me give him a shout out. Shout out, Jip. What's his Trading Jip? Say hi to your mom. Always. Yeah, go follow Trading Jip and go check me out. I will be there in 10 minutes. We're co-hosting together for an hour, so yeah, I'm not exactly sure what we're doing. I really have not done my due diligence. I presume we'll just be looking at charts and stuff like that, but yeah, should be a good one. In any case, guys, see you in 10 minutes if you're going to join for that stream. Otherwise, I'll see you back here on Wednesday, for more live trading, marking up charts and all the rest of it. Hopefully we wake up to a nice payday with this short, but hard to say. But yeah, until then, peace out, Girl Scouts. Take it easy. Have a good rest of your Monday, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.